Meet the wolf. He didn't run through the forest today. He didn't chase anything. He didn't even reply to that message he's been staring at for 3 days. And yet, the wolf is exhausted. Not from doing too much, from doing nothing, the wrong way. This isn't laziness. Scientists call it mental fatigue, a state where the brain is completely overloaded, not from real work, but from noise, decisions, distractions, and an endless stream of things that never actually satisfied him. The wolf hasn't been resting. He's been overstimulating his brain. And that's a full-time job with absolutely no benefits. Here's the wolf's real problem. His brain runs on dopamine, that little chemical that fires every time something new happens. Swipe, dopamine. Like, dopamine. A notification from someone he forgot he followed. Dopamine. But the wolf's brain was never built for this. It was built to chase one thing, catch it, then rest. Not scroll through 800 stimulating things per minute and feel empty after all of them. So the wolf does what feels like resting. He lies down. He puts on something in the background. He scrolls a little. It looks like rest. It feels like rest. But it's not rest. It's a slow drain disguised as a break. True rest is quieter than that. Sometimes it looks like doing absolutely nothing and actually meaning it. Inside the wolf's brain, there's something called the default mode network. It's the part that turns on when things finally go quiet. That's when the brain reflects, recharges, heals itself. But when dopamine keeps firing, it never turns on. The wolf walks around on low battery, wondering why he feels so drained, never realizing his brain never actually got to rest. Sound familiar? The wolf meant to take a short break. It's now 2 a.m. He hasn't moved. He's somehow deep in a rabbit hole of videos he doesn't even care about. This isn't rest. This is mental noise wearing a comfortable outfit. So how does the wolf actually recharge? First, reframe boredom. If it feels boring, it's probably working. A walk with no destination, sitting still, staring out the window. The brain loves this, even when you don't. Second, get outside. Nature has no algorithm, no notifications, no autoplay. That's not a bug. That's the whole point. Third, 1 hour a day with no screen. Draw something. Walk somewhere. Eat slowly. Let your mind wander without feeding it anything. Fourth, protect your mental energy. It's not infinite. The wolf who saves his energy is the wolf who actually shows up when it matters. If you're always tired but feel like you did nothing, you probably weren't lazy. You were overstimulated. Your brain was running all day on empty fuel. Give the wolf real rest. Give yourself real rest. And next time you reach for your phone out of pure habit, pause. Ask yourself if that's actually what you need. The wolf is learning, and so are you.